Hello my dear students. Today we are going to start the chapter 3 logarithm. So why logarithm is used? Logarithm is used to solve very large calculations and to the rational powers of large numbers. To solve the rational power of large numbers. What is a logarithm? So if there is a real number a other than 1, then and x is a rational number such that a to the power x is equals to n. A is a real number, x is a rational number, and such that a to the power x is equals to n, then log n base a will be called x. Log n base a will be called x. And this is a reversible reaction, that if a to the power x is equals to n, then log n base a is equals to s. This is read as log n base a. Log n base a. Understood? So this way we can say that 2 to the power 5 is equals to 32. It means log 32 base 2 is equals to 5. And we can say that 7 to the power 0 is equals to 1. It means log 1 to the power 7 is equals to 0. This way we can represent the exponential form of the numbers into the logarithm. How? 10 to the power minus 3 is equals to 0.001. So what we can say, that log 0.001 upon 2 base 10 is minus 3. This is all in the beginning. What else? What is the implication of it? That since a to the power 1 is equals to a, so it gives me a relation that log a to the base a is always 1. So this is an important result which we will keep using many times, that if the base and the value of log is same, the answer will be 1. Log a to the base a will be 1. Now the, first of our exercise is based on this much concept only, and then we can let us solve few other questions based over it. So I have explained you that a to the power x is equals to n, and it can be written as log n base a is equals to x. Log n base a is equals to x. Now let us try to solve the question based over it. What he is saying, if there is a log given, how we can write it in exponential form? Log 64 base 2. Log 64 base 2 can be written how? 64 is what power of? Since 2 to the power 6 is 64. So what I will write? Log 64 base 2 is 6. What can be written as? Log 125 base 5. Since 5 to the power 3 is 125, so log 125 base 5 will be 3. This way we can write the answer of the following question. What the first question is asking to us? Example number 1, log 81 base 9 is equals to x. Then how we will solve it? 9 to the power x is equals to 81, and 81 can be written as 9 to the power 2, so we will say x is equals to 2. Let us see a few more questions over it. Log 10 base 10 and 0.001. Triple zero is there. So what I will say, 10 to the power x is equals to 0.0001, which will be written as 10 to the power minus 4 and x is equals to minus 4. This is first. Second, let me tell you one more part, and that is log 4 root 2 is equals to x. So what I will write, root 2 power to the power x is equals to 4, and it means 2 to the power x by 2 is equals to 2 to the power 2. So x by 2 is equals to 2 and x is equals to 4. So this way we will solve these questions. Let me tell you few more. All these are the questions in exercise 1. Yes, example 2, what this time he is saying, that log x base 2 is equals to 3. So what will happen? X is equals to 2 to the power 3, that is 8. What this is? This is example number 2, part 1. Thereafter, same way you can solve many. Log 9, log x base 9 is equals to 2.5. Log x base 9 is equals to 2.5. So what will happen? X is equals to 9 to the power 2.5, and 2.5 can be written as 5 by 2, and 9 can be written as 3 to the power 2. So 2 and 2 is cancelled, 3 to the power 5 is 243. So this way the value of x will be 243. Now if log is given and he is asking to write it in exponential form, for example log 64 base 2 is equals to 6. So this can be written as 2 to the power 6 is equals to 64. Similarly, log 10 0.01 is equals to minus 2. I can write it 10 to the power minus 2 is equals to 0.01. So this was example number 3. Thereafter, a few more examples based over it. Right now I am doing example number 4. What he is asking, log y base 10 is equals to x, find the value of 10 to the power 2x. So what will happen? 10 to the power x will be y, and here is 10 to the power 2x. So that is 10 to the power x to the power 2, and 10 to the power x can be written as 2. So the answer will be y square. Similarly, you can see example number 6. 5 is also like that only. What is there in the 6th? Log y base 3 is equals to x, and log z base 2 is equals to y. Y or x? No, it is also x. It is also x. Now what he is asking the value of 72 to the power x. So what should I do? 3 to the power x is equals to y, and 2 to the power x is equals to z. This by the rule of logarithm. Now 72 can be written as 8 9s. 8 means 2 to the power 3x, and 9 means 3 to the power 2x. So 3 to the power x can be written as y, so it is y square, and 2 to the power x can be written as z, so it is z cube. This way the answer will be z cube y square. Two more questions I would like to tell you in this, example number 8 and 9, and thereafter we will switch to the exercise 2. The first one is quite an easy one. It is simply telling you how exponential form can be written in the form of logarithm. It must be damn clear to you that if it is 2 to the power 5 is equals to 32, how you will write it? Log 32 base 2 is equals to 5. Example number 8 we are going to look for. What example number 8 is saying? It is exactly the same which we have done in example number 6. Log 5, log x base 5 is equals to a, and log y base 2 is also a. Looking for the value of 100 to the power 2a minus 1. चलिए जी, how we will find 5 to the power a is equals to x and 2 to the power a is equals to y. He is asking the value of 100 to the power 2a minus 1 in the form of x and y. You will not have to find the final value, you will have to find the value in the form of x and y. Now, how you will write 100 to the power 2a minus 1? 100 to the power 2a minus 1 can be written as 100 to the power 2a upon 100. That minus 1 power has gone down. Now 100 can be written as 5 square and 2 square. 25 4 is 100 and the whole power is 2a upon 100. So ultimately it is 5 to the power 4a into 2 to the power 4a upon 100. 5 to the power a can be written as x, so x to the power 4. 2 to the power a can be written as y, so y to the power 4 upon 100 is the final answer. So this is example number 8. Let me solve to example number 9 for you. Just because of root I am solving it, otherwise it is easy. Log 1728 2 root 3 is equals to x, and find the value of x. So by the law of logarithm, what will be the answer? 2 root 3 to the power x is equals to 1728. And what is the factors of 1728? This is the cube of 12. And you will be surprised to know that if 2 will go in, so 2 when go inside the root, it will become root 12. That is 12 to the power 3. So 12 to the power x upon 2 is equals to 12 to the power 3. Now comparing the power, x by 2 is equals to 3, and in the end x is equals to 6. So this way, this much is there in exercise 1. You solve this many questions and you will be perfect enough in calculating, converting powers, converting exponential form into logarithm. Now log is having certain laws of logarithm. Like you are having laws of exponent, and thereafter we apply them in the logarithm in exponential form. Similarly, we are having laws of logarithm which we apply, without which solving logarithm will be tough enough. So in second of your exercise, we are going to solve the question based over these laws of logarithm. Logarithm contain many things. First is this is simply the introduction. Thereafter we will learn the laws of exponent, and thereafter we will learn to find the value of log, and then we will learn to use those values. Okay, so quite a good amount of question this chapter is having for us. Now let me tell you the laws of exponent, laws of logarithm. Logarithm in short is called log. Okay, so log mn. The first law is log mn. Whenever there is two numbers in multiplication, they will be written in addition. Log m plus log n. Now you must be surprised that where the base has gone. So every time when base is not written, the base is considered 10. Whenever the base is different from 10, we will write it that time. If nothing is written, we will consider that the base is 10. So we will use this all in base 10, or we can write it log A, log A. Right now we are taking base A. So A means A can be anything. A can be 5, 2, 7, 9, 10, anything. Okay. Then second, log A, log base A, m upon n. So whenever the things are in division, they will go in subtraction. Log m minus log n. What is the third law? The third law is saying that log A, and if it is m to the power n, if it is m to the power n, it will be written as n log m. N will go in multiplication, so it will be n log m. Okay. One law we have already studied, that log A base A will always be 1, and another one is that log 1 to any base is 0. Okay. What else? What are the other rules which we are going to study in this exercise? There are 8. So I have told you 5. The sixth one is quite important. Although all of them are important, but sixth one is a different way important. Log A base m. Log m base A. So log m base A, what we were doing, we want to change the base. That if we want to change the base, what will happen? We will take a new base, log m base B upon log m log A base B. Log, if what we have done, we have changed the base. Look, earlier the base was A, now the base has become B. So if we want to change the base, we will have to write it in such a manner: log m base B, log A base B. And it can also be changed in another way, that log A base m. The reciprocal of it will also change the base. That if we are doing the if we are interchanging base and this number, then simply there will be a reciprocal of it. I hope it is clear to you. Then another seventh one. What seventh one is saying? That if A to the power log base A is n, then its value will be n. The most important thing is that this base and this power should be same. The base of power log and this exponential form, this should be same. If it is same, then the answer will be same. So this is 7th. And the 8th one. What 8th is saying? That log A to the power Q m to the power P. Base is also having power and that number is also having power. So it will become P upon Q log A base, log m base A. Means the power of base and the power of log both will be in the multiplication, and then it can be written as P upon Q log m base A. These are the 8 laws of exponent, 8 laws of logarithm, which we are going to utilize in the questions. I am very sure that you can understand them. All these are clear in your mind. I would like to revise them once again. If their rate is in multiplication, things will go in addition. If they are in division, things will go in logarithm, will go in subtraction. Power to the power, n will come before, n log m. Log A base A will be 1 and log 1 base A will be 0. Thereafter this is the one for changing the base. Earlier we were having log m base A, so it can be written as 1 upon log m base A. Another way, neither we want to take m as a base nor we want to take A as a base. So what we will do, we will take another base, log B. So log m base B, log A base A. Another one is A to the power log A log n base A अगर होता है तो it will become n. In the end, log a to the power q log m to the power p base a to the power p. बेस में भी पावर है, नंबर में भी पावर है, तो इट विल बिकम p upon q log a log m base a. Okay, so these many laws are there. Other than that, there are two things. There are two type of logarithm. There are two type of logarithm. One is common log. How do we know that log is common or not? Look, if we are not having any base, the base is not written, then we consider that the base is 10 and that all the numbers which are having 10 base are known as common log. So if it is written log 25, it is understood that it means it is log 10 25. Okay, what is the other log? Other log is called natural logarithm. Other log is known as natural logarithm, and in that the base is e, log e, exponent, and the value of this e lies between 2 and 3. Its approximate value is around, the approximate value of e is around 2.7, and it can be written as 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 2 factorial plus 1 upon 3 factorial plus 1 upon 4 factorial and so on. So this way, this is the natural log, but in this entire chapter we are going to study the common log only, where sometime the base will be different, but most of the time it will be base 10. Okay, so this much was there, the laws. Now let us try to solve few questions over it. We will use these laws. I would like that you write them again and again so that these will be fixed in your mind and thereafter you can use them frequently. Yes, what the questions are like. For example, the first question is example 1, part 1, log 12. So if base is not written, it means it is understood. Now 12 can be written as 2 to the 4, 3 the 12. So we will write it log 2 to the power 2 into 3. So we can write it in multiplication they are added. So log 2 to the power 2 plus log 3, and when power to the power is, so it will be 2 log 2 plus log 3. So this way we will solve these questions. What else we want to solve? This was there. The rest of the part you can solve like this only. Example number 2. Example number 2 is saying log 2 plus 1. So how we will get 1? Look, 10 to the power 1 is equals to 10. So if I want to write it in the log, how I will write? Log 10 base 10 is equals to 1. It means, and base 10 we need not to write. It means the value of log 10 will be 1. So in place of 1, I am going to write log 10. So it is log 2 plus log 10. In y, and all the laws are reversible. That if multiplication can be written as added, the added one can be written as multiplication. So right now we are reciprocal it, log 2 into 10. So it is log 20. This was the first part. Let me solve one more for you. Question number second part, what is saying? Log 12 minus log 2 minus log 3. So this time it is in subtraction. So log 12 minus I have done. So it is log 2 plus log 3. I can also write it log 12 minus log 2 into 3, because they are in addition, so they will be multiplied. Now they are in subtraction, so they will be divided. Log 12 upon 6, that is log 2. So this much you will have to do. Thereafter, let us solve few more question examples. So third part of it I am solving for you. 3 log 2 plus 2. So like that only, 10 to the power 2 is equals to 100. So I got log 100 is equals to 2. So in place of 2 I am going to write log 100. So log 2 to the power 3 plus log 100, that is log 8 plus log 100, that is log 8 into 100 log 800. I hope it is clear to you. Let me solve one more part. There are many questions like this. This is the last one for today. This is the sixth part. 1 by 2 log 9 plus 1 by 4 log 81 plus 2 log 6 and minus log 12. So this way how we will do, the half will go as power. Log 81 to the power 1 by 4 log 6 square minus log 12. So 9 to the power half will be log 3. 81 to the power, 81 is 3 to the power 4, so it will be 3, and 6 square will be 36 minus log 12. All the positive one will be multiplied, negative one will go in division, so 3 into 3 into 36 upon 12, 12 3 is 36, and in the end I got log 27, or you can say 3 log 3. To solve this many questions, solve the questions based over it. In my next video, I will send the examples ahead of it. Thank you. Till then, take care and complete your work.